Look at that one.
Oh, ain't it pretty?
It's a pretty little picture there. Beautiful. That went boom as I chucked it in. Really, I liked it, I'll chuck it to you.
Fudge off.
Why?
Because I'm not getting set on fire, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
No.
Supposed to be 25 foot away.
Oh. Yeah, well, right
From that. If you're 25 foot away from that, you wouldn't see it.
Yeah.
To get some right big ones next time. Ones that shake the house.
There weren't much left, were there?
Oh my god, Dad!
What?
Bloody pouring it. Oh my god, it just made a firework bit then, I think. Was that firework then? In there? So it like went woof.
Good job I didn't chuck the wrong one in. Ooh.
We don't know if you just put that one in. That's fine.
They don't last long at all, do they really? Sure, when we were kids, they used to go on for ages.
Here's some goggles. Oh, I'm gonna get my science goggles. Science goggles.
That's a bloody thing to light it.
Just get Lil to put a bit. Oh, bedroom light is on, isn't it? Still a bit of wood down there.
What?
Oh, or even worse. So, is that going to shoot up?
I'm an intelligent bitch here, look. I'm not getting hit by the heat now. I can stare right into the fire like this, watch.
You look at it though.
And my eyes don't hurt at all. It only hurts when I breathe in.
No, you look at it. Super
I
tit.
walked home with these.
Yeah, but you looked at it then. What, you had them on?
Yeah, I had them on. I ran out of school with them.
You're getting worse and worse.
You know, we got them from Asda last year and they're a lot better. Yeah. These ones are from Tesco and they're rubbish. Yeah, they have the spinny ones in Asda box. These ones cost a lot more and they're really naff. I thought that were going to be it then. Did you like that one?
I did.
You're not doing that one.
Which
Not
one?
there.
Huh?
You put that down, you're going to end up hitting me on the head with it.
Which one?
That big one.
I'm going to do this big one here.
You are, I can see you. No, don't.
No.
If
What?
you're going to do that, make sure it's right in the
I'm
ground.
doing now.
I know what you've got it in your hand and you're doing it.
What? Work anyway.
Yeah. Well, he took that box on for us.
You're going to have to light it holding it first.
Lil. Put 2 bricks either side of it. Lil's waiting for it patiently. That wood's gonna fall out of there.
Oh, it's a big one though.
Watch out, Lil. Lil,
What?
watch out.
Oh, shit. Where did it go?
I'm always so bloody nervous of it because last year it nearly hit me. Shot into house. Literally felt it past my ear.
And that's it for tonight.
Yay.
So,
Beautiful.
glad that you watched and goodbye.